With all those features, it's easy to think the Power Commander is a cure-all for every performance wish. It's not. Understanding its limitations is just as important as knowing its strengths because it sets realistic expectations and prevents disappointment. First off, the PC6 does not reflash your ECU. That's actually one of its main selling points. It leaves the factory programming completely intact and temporarily alters the signals on their way to the injectors and/or coils when supported. Because the ECU isn't rewritten, you cannot use the PC6 to singularly change speed limiters, disable traction control or ABS systems, or alter an ECU-driven peripheral like when a fan temperature turns on. If you want to change them, you'll need an ECU flash or an aftermarket ECU. Select Fuel and Ignition Power Commander 6s are able to increase the rev limit of your engine using our Rev Extend feature, but if the ECU still caps vehicle speed by closing throttle blades or employs other power-reducing measures, those will remain intact. Second, the PC6 cannot physically increase potential engine power on its own. It merely refines the delivery to take advantage of the hard parts already bolted onto the vehicle. Put simply, the PC6 is a tuning tool to modify the delivery for your modifications. It is not a forced induction system to increase power. Next, it does not fix mechanical problems. If your bike has a misfire, dirty spark plug, clogged injectors, or low compression, no amount of tuning will make it right. In fact, using a tuning device on a mechanically compromised engine can compound problems. Always ensure your machine is in good health before you start tuning. Understanding these limitations will help you use the PC6 effectively and safely. Keep them in mind as we move forward throughout this course. This tool is powerful, but it's not a magic wand.